I think it's important to have an emergency alert device. Say if you lived on your own and you um, like fell out of your chair or something, you could have easy access to that emergency alert device and be like, I've fallen and I need help getting up, and the emergency alert device would notify the fire department, and the fire department would help you like get up. And what's cool about, I mean, I don't know how things work in the state of Indiana, but in the state of Chicago, you can program like your family members, your friends in the alert device. So if I lived alone, I could like alert my friends or family, or like the fire department. Like if I got stuck in the snow or something, the fire department could come help me get out of the snow. So I mean it's just a useful tool to not only make you independent, but like make your life easier if you live alone, so you don't feel like scared or afraid. You have that support around you. And like I said, I don't know how it works in Indiana as far as like the emergency alert device. I don't know if Medicaid or Medicare would like cover that kind of thing, but yeah, I feel like emergency alert devices do help like elderly and people with disabilities like have their independence. Like they can still be by themselves, but they have that alert device on their wrist if they need anything, or stuff like that. So if you have one and you really like it, leave your positive comments below and let me know what you think about it, because I just want to know what other people think about it. And you can like, subscribe, and if you haven't already, you can subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, so you can get video updates when I post. So have a good day, guys. Stay warm, and I'll see you later.